baby. You're being just a tiny bit dramatic, aren't you? They're just pants. Do you want your pants? Don't you want to put pants on? Don't you want to put pants on? Do you want these pants? You gonna throw yourself in every chair in here? Oh, they're just pants. It's really not that bad. Gracious. Gracious. All right. Oh, baby. Okay, no pants. No pants. No pants. Okay.